Hello and welcome to one more video of Box Info. Today we are going to unbox this Maono Microphone Arm. This is a microphone stand used to mount your microphone to prevent any kind of vibrations on your microphone. So this is a picture of that, and these are some specifications. It takes around 1.2 kg of load on the stand, which is a very good thing. So this is the specification of the manufacturer, and this is how the stand looks. I have already done an unboxing of pop filter. If you want to see that one, I will leave a link in the description. So let's remove this stand outside here. So this is a clamp, I think so, and we have something else here. Let me keep this aside for a moment now. So this is the arm. Yes, that's it. We got three parts in this box. Let me keep this aside now. Let me just remove this plastic here. Yes, the packaging is very good. So this is a aluminium stand. I like the premium built here. So it's a very cold to the touch, which is good. This is entirely made of the metal except the knobs, which are going to use for tightening of this stand. And these springs are also pretty good here, very strong. It has a very matte texture on it, and I like the square tube here. This is the mount. If you have a bigger microphone, you can use this adapter to mount it on this. So this is the microphone mount here. So this is the mount which we will going to attach the table mount here, and this is the knob. So it's a very strong spring here. It is pushing me here. So let me show you the spring here. So it's a very strong spring. Yeah, it's good here. The build quality is very good. So this is a microphone holder. You can attach some different types of mic here. So it's a plastic built here. I wish it was also metal here, but no worries, it is also very good here. This is the holder. So we have two holdings here. If you want, you can use either one of these. So this is the mount here. You can use this to mount on the table surface here. It's cold to the touch. This is whole made of the metal here, so it's a very strong metal, which I really like, because if it was the plastic one, then it will break very easily, but this here is very good. I like the build quality here. Definitely the build quality is the very best part of this product here. So these are some rubber padding to prevent any kind of scratches on your table. So these are some three parts which came in the box. Let me just show you how to mount this here. So as you can see this picture which shows the mounting. You can adjust the angle as you want. So this is the table mount, and at the bottom you just need to insert this rod here. Let me just untighten this one. So this is how you can mount this on the table. So it's a very sturdy and strong here. Of course, this whole package is made of metal, which I like. That's it. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Until then, Jai Hind.